Hi, this is Jason, and today I'm going to show you how to use our consumable template. Our consumable system is our way of randomly allocating something from a long list. So, say for example, you have a lot of tweets that you want to tag or images that you want to have transcribed. What you do is you put that long list of tweets or image URLs into our consumable system, and this template will pull randomly from that list and deliver it to a respondent. And then the respondent can consume it, get another one selected at random that's different from the first one. And it's also going to be balanced based on how many other people have consumed those tweets or those images. I'll show you more in a second, but in the big picture, that's what it's meant to do. It's meant to randomize and balance. So the first thing we want to do is we actually want to create our list of consumables, things to be consumed. So what you want to do is you want to go into your team. You have a Manage Consumables tab. Select that. I've already created one class for this demo called Consume Demo. If you wanted to, you can create your own new class just by entering the name and pressing New Class. Up here, we can add in your list of things to consume. For this demo, I'm just going to list a bunch of animals and a couple of different types of horses. The question here is going to be having people randomly take some of these animals and try and tell us whether they're a horse or not. If we wanted to, we can add another animal here. So let's say a snail. This is an empty string, so you can write whatever you want. If you're using Twitter, you could put Twitter IDs or the entire link to a tweet. If you're using images, you could have the URL to the image or the name of the image. So I'll click Save. So I have 10 items. And down here I have 10 items. The snail's new, so it's not been added to any of my sets. If I want to create a new set, I can select all, type in a name, and set new set. For the demo, I think we'll just use set 3. Okay, so we have the consumable class, and we have a set. Let me show you how to actually then create the consumable experiment. So there are two variables. You'll need to tell us what class you're using. So consume demo was the name of the class, and we're using set3. Update. The other thing you want to do while you're developing is going into the files, going to this JavaScript file, the consume.js, and you'll want to turn off or comment out the setConsumables function. What setConsumables the function does is it officially classifies a consumable as consumed, which means you'll never see it again, and it'll count towards other people's consumption. So while you're testing this, you don't want to have some of your consumables get consumed prematurely. You don't want to save any of the data, of course, either. So it's just nice to comment that out while you're testing. And when you're done, you can uncomment it. So I've commented it out. I'm going to save it, quit. Now let me show you what this template looks like. Go to the demo. Is this a horse? Appaloosa, yes. So Mustang is a horse, yes. Percheron is a horse. Monkey, not a horse. Snake, not a horse. Donkey, technically not a horse. Cow, not a horse. Clydesdale is a horse. Falabella. And again, because I'm not actually consuming these, you see Appaloosa comes back up. So again, these are pulling randomly from the list of consumables in that set until either I run out or I tell it to stop. And the data is going to come out of the bottom here. So you see Appaloosa, yes. Mustang, yes. All right, again, once you're ready to go back into this JS file, uncomment out the set consumables, and you're ready to go, and save, and you're ready to go. All right, thank you so much. If you have any questions, please send us an email at support@volunteerscience.com. Thank you.